Hey, Boo. Hey, I'm going to show you something, but you can't show Mom. It's going to surprise her when she gets home. In Ryan's bedroom, you can see I have sort of straightened up. Minimal knickknacks. You can see the cedar chest is over there, over here. Put all the baseball stuff up here, all the car stuff up here, then a few books here, Bethany's painting, and then you can see the rest. Just thought I would give you a showing of it, and Mom will be surprised. Oh, one more thing. The closet has been cleaned out too. So, anyway, I think she'll be happy.